Yet again I find myself pimping the Nintendo Switch, and this time I'm going all out Pokemon version. So this was actually made by Captain Alex over on Instagram. I gave him a few messages a couple weeks back and he was well up for collaborating, so he makes all of this. He makes custom backplates, custom Joy-Cons and Joy-Con backplates as well, and he sells them over on his Instagram. And he's also launched a new YouTube channel as well, which he's doing a monthly giveaway every month for I think quite a long time. Go over and check it. And he's giving away stuff like this and custom Joy-Cons a lot as well. So definitely check him out. So I've never actually taken my Switch apart, so this is going to be completely new to me, and it will probably screw up somewhere. So hopefully you get it on film, and I'm probably going to have to go out and buy some new Joy-Cons, but hell, let's go ahead and pimp the Nintendo Switch and turn it into like a Pokemon edition Switch, I guess you could call it. So let's take a quick look at them before I put them on the Switch. Now you may have seen I have custom Joy-Cons on my Nintendo Switch there, but they were actually purchased like that. So I'm gonna have to learn everything in this video. Oh wow, that looks nice. Okay, I dig that. And then the back there, nothing special. This is actually gonna look really, really sweet. I'm excited and I hope I do get it right. And now let's take a look at the left Joy-Con here, if I put that together and like if it was. Ooh, okay. The back looks really nice. I'm digging that Pokeball there. And then the other one here, it's going to be pretty similar. It's got the Pikachu tail there, which looks like a little Thunderbolt. I dig it. Okay, so let's pull over the Switch. I'll play some funky jazz music or something like that. And I'll try and replace the backplate first. So that took me a good couple of hours, but that's because I have no history of taking apart Joy-Cons or Switches, but it went fairly well. Like, I have to give a big shout out to Nintendo for making it somewhat easy on the inside of these. It's basically like different levels, but I do advise just remembering where and when you take out your screws, because I was getting a little bit confused of having them set out in terms of like the first one you took out to the last and then just going back. You should have no problems at all. But let me put this on the Switch and see how they look. Like, they're absolutely stunning. Alex has done a cracking job. You do see the color coding coming out on the top, but there's nothing we can do about that because that's the interior shell that holds the battery. So let's install these. Please ignore my dirty Switch skin. Okay, that seemed to pop on nicely. So there you have it on the front there, looking real nice. Let's see if it actually works, and I'll show you the back. A. Okay, A works, that's fine. Does my analog sticks work? Yep. Very nice. Bumpers? Yep. Minus, plus, plus. Okay, my plus sign is a little stiff, but I remember because I did put that screw in a little bit too tight. But that's what it looks like on the front. Coming over to the back. Ooh! Hot damn. That is nice. I'm digging that. Imagine seeing some of that on the tube. Holy shit. That is nice. I am digging that. So there you have it, guys. Pimp My Switch, Pokemon Edition. I am digging this. Nintendo might bring out a Pokemon Edition Switch with the release of Pokemon, which I think will happen hopefully at the end of this year, maybe start of next. But if you're impatient like me, you can grab one of these from Captain Alex over on Instagram and just pimp it, guys. Pimp your Switch. Check out that. And I'm sure if you talk to him, he can change the Pokemon for you as well. So there you have it, guys. A quick look at the Pokemon Edition Nintendo Switch. I hope you enjoy it. And make sure to come back in the next video.